Get ready for a digital payment revolution in Bangladesh. Within the next 6 months, a wave of banks is gearing up to introduce Google Pay, promising a faster, more secure way to pay. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just about convenience. It's about a major shift in how we handle money. And this is the part most people miss. The race to adopt this technology reveals a larger story about the country's evolving financial landscape and the growing importance of digital innovation. Following Citibank's groundbreaking launch of Google Pay in June, in partnership with Google, MasterCard, and Visa, 10 more banks are now preparing to roll out this service. Among the frontrunners are tech-savvy institutions like Prime Bank, BRAC Bank, Mutual Trust Bank, and Eastern Bank, all of which are prioritizing technological advancements to stay ahead. Most of these banks are targeting late 2025 or early 2026 launches, signaling a rapid transformation in the digital payments space. Citibank's success speaks volumes. Within just 2 months, 45,000 users signed up for Google Pay, and the bank reported a 35% increase in new account openings. This isn't just a trend. It's a testament to the growing demand for seamless, contactless payment solutions. But here's the controversial part. While Google Pay offers undeniable convenience, it also raises questions about data security and privacy. How will banks ensure that customer information remains protected as they adopt this new technology? It's a debate worth having. A senior official from Bangladesh Bank confirmed that the challenge lies in the extensive technological development required. Even banks with robust digital infrastructure need time to adapt and conduct rigorous testing to ensure smooth service and security. And this is where the divide becomes apparent. Only the most technologically advanced banks will be able to launch Google Pay quickly, leaving others to play catch-up. Is this a fair playing field, or does it give an unfair advantage to larger, more resource-rich institutions? Nazim A. Chowdhury, Deputy Managing Director, DMD of Prime Bank, anticipates launching Google Pay by the first quarter of 2026. He notes that while the number of Google Pay users is still low, the growing adoption of NFC-enabled mobile devices suggests a significant increase in usage down the line. Mahiul Islam, DMD of BRAC Bank, emphasizes their long-standing commitment to technological development, aiming to launch the service by the end of 2025. Eastern Bank, targeting early 2026, is already working on tokenization to enable tap-and-pay services, having partnered with Visa, MasterCard, and Google Pay. Meanwhile, Khalid Hossein, Chief Digital Officer of Mutual Trust Bank, assures that they are on track to launch Google Pay within the next few months. With this service, customers can link their MasterCard or Visa credit and debit cards to Google Wallet, enabling fast, secure, and contactless payments both in Bangladesh and abroad at any NFC-enabled POS terminal. But here's a thought-provoking question. As more banks adopt Google Pay, will traditional payment methods become obsolete? And if so, what does that mean for those who aren't tech-savvy or don't have access to smartphones? Arup Haider, DMD of Citibank, highlights another exciting development. The bank plans to extend Google Pay access to American Express Amex cardholders soon, which could potentially triple their user base to over 300,000 within a month. Given that 75% of Citibank's customers use Amex cards, this move could be a game changer. But this raises another point of contention. Will the dominance of a few card networks and digital payment systems limit consumer choice or innovation in the long run? As Bangladesh embraces Google Pay, it's clear that the future of payments is digital. But with this shift comes a host of questions and challenges. What do you think? Is the rapid adoption of Google Pay a step forward, or does it pose risks that outweigh the benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation.